Okay, we're in Paducah right now. There's a tornado warning. You can hear the tornado sirens. That's a wall cloud right there. Start to see. Oh, you can see a lowering! You can see a lowering! There's a funnel there, I think. Are they stopping the sirens? The sirens were just on, but it looks like they stopped them. Oh, look at that! Oh, it's dropping one! Oh, that looks like it's gonna drop. I think that's gonna be, if those trees weren't there, that looks like it's on the ground. You know, my first thought was Paducah when we were looking at I just didn't say it. Damn it, I should have, my first thought was Paducah and then I said Childress when we were guessing I actually thought Paducah first and then I'm like, no, I'll just say Childress. That's gotta be on the ground. That has to be.